All right, so I think I found the best gutter guard on the planet. All right, hear me out. So I'm out here on this huge job out here, and this is in Southport, North Carolina, and we are doing a few things. One is we're replacing the siding on these dormers, replacing a few fascia boards where there's not guards, and installing this beautiful gutter guard product. So a lot of you guys know that my old business, which was gutter protection, I did a lot of gutter cleaning, gutter repairs, full gutter installs, as well as gutter guards. And I was a huge advocate for the Leaf Blaster Pro Micro Mesh Gutter Guard System, which I still highly recommend and do for a lot of homes. The issue is when you live at the coast or you do things in areas that have high winds, there are special roofing systems that are installed, such as, like when I was in Texas, there's the Texas wind policies, as well here in North Carolina and a lot of other places in the coastal region, there's a fortified roofing system. And the issue with the fortified roofing system is that it's adhered at the edge extremely tight, so you can't install the Leaf Blaster Pro, which goes under the first row of shingles when it's installed. But if you have pine trees, like you see here, kind of puts you at a bad spot, and your real only option is to deal with leaf filter. And we all know that leaf filter is ripping people off, charge a lot of money for them. But I recently came across a new product, which you can see here. It is almost identical to the way that leaf filters is, except it's using a strong aluminum frame that comes in multiple different colors. So these are high gloss white gutters, so we're going up with it. As you can see, it even has a gutter drip edge on it, which is amazing if you're installing them on brand new gutters, because this will help prevent the oxidation of the exterior of the gutters, which makes them that kind of like chalky feel. Putting this on is going to allow that water to run right off the lip and miss the gutter altogether. And then as you can see, the way it's installed, it does not go under the first row of shingles. It'll actually sit on the back side of the gutter, and you can install them with just a slight pitch. That way that water and debris flows the way it needs to. So I'm extremely excited about this product. It's got the channel system just like the leaf filter does as well. Now this product is a little bit more expensive than the Leaf Blaster Pro is if you're getting it from a manufacturer. But if you are installing, you know, one of these windproof, not windproof, but like hurricane roofing systems, the Leaf Blaster Pro is not going to cut it. It won't. You just can't install it. So I ran into a little bit of an issue where I was trying to find a product that I really appreciated and liked that would get the job done, that I could stand behind. There's a couple other manufacturers out there, but the micro mesh is way too fine. It's like surgical grade, or the frame is flimsy and plastic. So anyways, I recently came across this product, and it's called Waterlock. It is absolutely amazing. Installs easy, looks really good, and the added benefit of that gutter edge on it is paramount. So I'll show you kind of what it looks like as it's getting installed right now. I told you guys I'm using high leverage, so I'm no longer doing all the work myself. But from the ground, you're not going to really see a big difference. As you can see, that gutter edge right along the tip of it, man, is amazing. So from the ground, it's not radically different, but it's doing a good job. And it comes these big chunks just like this. Anyways, if you are installing gutter guards and you run across a system that needs to have it installed not under the front lip of the gutter, I'll put a link in it below. That way you can go check them out. Again, it's more expensive, but just like I've taught you guys in the past, have your material costs plus your labor costs, and then add a margin on top of that, and you'd be perfectly fine. See you guys on the next one.